fill out the white, and fill this in the black. Paste. That took longer than expected, but maybe have a nice ball spread. I'll save this one. Save in the spreads folder. And sweet. And now finally we need a pad. I'm not going to draw that one with you guys, but we need to draw a pad like this. Here's just a pad I have breaker. As you can see, it's like long pad, and it's like that. Alright, so yeah, I might actually have to cut the video here. Yeah, because we're a little over time. But now, when we come back, we have all the spreads here. So we're all loaded up right there and ready to go. So thank you guys for watching. In the next tutorial, we will go on to putting the balls and stuff into the right positions. So next time, this is Game Great Productions. Hello guys, and welcome to your second EOSBreaker tutorial in Game Great Productions. In this tutorial, we will be positioning the ball, pad, and the bricks. Alright, so first let's position the pad. So I'd like to set, I already set it at like the bottom area, like right around here at the bottom of the screen. So we're talking about like the middle of the window lift, and probably like 300 from the bottom. Ball Y, no, ball X and ball Y. So we're going to make these global variables. And I believe I did not go over global variables, but they're basically variables that can be accessed anywhere in the program. And they're not, so that means they're not scope specific. So basically like a certain branch label can be only used in that kind of stuff. Let's just move these down here. Okay, good. So now, let's set this up. So, the pad X is the window lift divided by 2 minus 142. We just want it a little to the right. And now, for the Y, we'll have it window height divided by 2 window height divided by 2 minus 100. Or we could just do window height minus 100, which I think we'll do that instead. And now finally we have to actually position our pads. So EOS right XY pad and now we're going to use pad Y. No, yeah, pad X and pad Y. Here we go. See what we have here. So global pad X. Oh no, sorry guys. Can't initialize the global variables while you're defining them. Global. There. Let's do the same over here. Nah, we'll get to that when we get there. So now we can run the program, and as you can see, the pad is perfectly positioned the way I want it. And let's get this pad moving. So now we have to do, so when character input, so print EOS, when character input, we're going to go to move pad. And in the move pad, we're going to do the following. I'm not sure if I went over key presses and stuff, but I believe I did. So if I didn't, we'd set the char character, which is a new variable we're making. We'd set it to the key that's inputted, and char is equal to a upper a. Basically, the upper command means, so like if I was to write capital A instead of A, this A would still be registered. So if char equals upper A or char equals A, then we want to make the pad go to the left. So pad x minus pad, no, minus, let's do 10, because we're not going to make this tutorial. This game's not going to be like super minus. And we'll do the same for D, because we're using the WASD key, so that would be left. So, you know, if char equals D, then we're going to make pad x equals pad x plus 10. And I forgot to say equals up here. Alright. Now that we checked if we're going left and right, what we need to do now is we have to set our pad position. Straight XY, pad X, and pad Y. And just squares. And wait. Looks good. Let's check if we have any errors. Let's try to move it. Yep. It's all good. Yep. Alright. And now, what we need to do now is, let's set up the ball position. So let's set that to the window height. We want it like a little over the pad. So for the ball X, let's set it to something like ball X equals window width divided by 2, and make it a little higher, so minus 142. Yes, let's do that. It's random. Okay. Thanks. Let's just switch these. Now we set up the Y. So ball Y equals window height minus 100. No, hold on. I got the value switched, so I gotta switch those back. This window. Window height. It's gonna be window width divided by 2. So now let's set it. Yes. XY ball X and ball Y. let's run it. And I think that's good. Good position. Now we should make this ball start moving down. So let's give it like a running loop. So every half a second, we're going to go to the loop. Alright, and in the loop, let's make the ball move down. So, let's do render ball. Wait. In the render ball rotating, all we're simply going to do is now we're going to make the ball X equal ball Y equals ball Y minus 10. And we're going to make it turn so we can continue to loop. Now let's run it. And the ball has multiple definitions. Oh, I meant this side. Let's check for more errors. We also should judge rates. Put EOS. Draw sprites. Alright, run the program. Oh god. Alright, so we have an invalid file handle. So let's write the draw sprites command again. So we print EOS draw sprites. Sprites, right? Draw sprites. And go. Let's see what's going on here. Why is this going on? Oh yeah. Simple. We're not actually. We need to reset the sprite position based on that variable. Alright. So simply right here. EOS right XY ball X ball Y. Save it and like wrong direction. Okay, now let me check that error that I keep getting. First off, this will be plus. Save, and now let's debug it to see what the error is about. So right now we're just doing the rotating. And that's correct. Right.